Well, I just drove in most of the way to the off-grid property, and when I was snowmobiling up here this winter, I lost a GoPro, so I just walked in, and sure enough, found it just now. So glad to have it back. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful day in the mountains. I've got my new Polaris, and I'm heading up to the property, and got a nice tree that fell across the road. And I was up here on Sunday, and that tree wasn't there, so it just fell this week, because today is now Thursday. So a lot of fresh powder up here. It's really gorgeous. I'm gonna bust out my little pack saw and see if I can't get this thing off the road, do myself a favor and everybody else. So anyway, we'll check back in a little bit. Got the first tree cleared and went up the road a few more miles. I've got another one here, so I'm going to pause and cut this tree out of the road. My $6 folding saw is working just fine. I bought this I don't know, a couple days ago at Ross, but anyways, not as nice as my Silky, but it's getting the job done today. So alright, time to get cutting.